Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off with Ukwenzo. He is at his apartment and he opens the door. Beravula umnyango guys, kungena bani unengelosi, and she's like, tada! Ukwenzo is so surprised. He's like, Gogo. Unengelosi is like, mzukulu, ulana ngalesi sikhathi. That time she comes in the house, she hugs Ukwenzo. Behind her is Ukuzwayo, you guys. I'm just like, what is Ukuzwayo doing? No Nengelosi. Ukwenzo's like, gogo, bengisaklina. And then Nengelosi like, oh. Ukwenzo looks at Ukuzwayo and is like, malume Kuzwayo. Then Ukuzwayo is like, Kwenzo, how? Sibalukhulu, uyaphila kodwa. Ukwenzo's like, hayi siyaphila singaza kuni. Ningahlala phansi. Ukuzwayo is like, siyabonga. Unengelosi is like, siyabonga baba. Waze wamuhle umuzi wakho bo. Ukuzwayo then says, hayi isebenzile le ndoda. Ukwenzo's like, ngiyazibongela. He looks at Ukuzwayo, he's like, yeah. Malume Kuzwayo, wena lona. Ukuzwayo is like, how yini. That time Ukuzwayo uzigqokele iblazer, you guys. And then Ukwenzo's like, yaze yayihle isuti yakho bo. Ukuzwayo is like, ayi asibonge. Unengelosi is like, iyabona Kwenzo mzukulu ukuthi ngiyamzama nje. And then Ukuzwayo benengelosi laugh. At this point, I'm just like, why bafriendly kangaka laba boy too? And what does unengelosi mean ukuthi uyamzama? Ukwenzo's like, okay, gogo, awusho. Uphumaphi sonke lesi sikhathi ngoba mina ngagcina emncwabeni. Unengelosi then says, bantwana bam, ngiyazi ukuthi niyangikhumbula and futhi nami ngiyanikhumbula zingane zami. Uyabona mengisuka lana Kwenzo ngiyahamba ngiyobheka udadewenu nobhuti wakho. Ukwenzo's like, oh okay. Wena malume Kuzwayo ubekwa yini lana ngoba phela bokufanele ukuthi usemsebenzini. I'm just like, oh konje Ukuzwayo usebenze emgazini. What is he doing here by the way? Unengelosi laughs and she's like, kuzofanele ukuthi umbize ngomkhulu. I was just like, what? Ukuzwayo then says, yeah. Kwenzo ngithathe insukana nami nje. That time while he's saying that, he's busy massaging Unengelosi, he's massaging her shoulders. Ukwenzo's like, umkhulu. And then Unengelosi is like, na. And awufuna ugogo wakho azijabulise naye. Akufanelanga phela ukuthi umuntu omdala abulawe isizungu. Ukwenzo's like, oh okay. Anifuni mhlampe nginithelele into yokuphuza amanzi mhlampe or ijuice. Unengelosi is like, mina-ke ngingayijabulela ibhiyanyana. And then Ukuzwayo is like, uyazi-ke Kwenzo ukuthi mina ezami ukuthi ngiphuzani. Ukwenzo's like, ubhiya. Unengelosi is like, yeah mzukulu uyazi nje ukuthi ugogo uyazithandela ezibandayo. Ukuzwayo is like, kanti-ke nomkhulu uzomela ukuthi athole into yakhe-ke. I'm just like, kwaze wakuvelela Ukwenzo. Unengelosi is like, oh mkhulu. And then they laugh. Ukwenzo is feeling so awkward there, you guys. He doesn't even know what to say, whether he should say congratulations. And then like, this is so awkward, you guys. Anyway, next scene, we see Uzama. Then Usibongile is sleeping. Uzama's on her phone. Next thing, she's waking up. Usibongile, she's like, ngani, awuvuke. Oh, usuyibonile le article kaKwenzo. Usibongile's like, i-article yani leyo. And then Uzama's like, I think kungona ukuthi uzifundele yona. Oh, because yay. And then she shows Usibongile the phone. Usibongile's like, kodwa Zama nkosi yami. Uzama's like, buka, look at the screen. Usibongile looks at the screen. Usibongile's like, hayi bo. Uzama's like, kukhona ukuthini Ukwenza megathi he's back on the market. Yini mngani, niphinde nahlukana futhi. Usibongile's like, cha bo Zama, ngokwazi kwami asikaze sahlukana mina noKwenzo. Uzama then says, hey, yazi amadoda ngiyakutshela-ke anjena amadoda o anjena ima-ke mhlampi Ukwenzo he's over you because you didn't let him smash. Kodwa-ke uKwenzo-ke ngeke ayenze into enjalo phela uKwenzo uguy alright. Maybe bamisquotile. Oh, that time guys uSibongile she's looking so surprised. Ukwenzo didn't say that guys, he didn't say which is on the market. All he said is that he's focusing on himself. Ushukuthi that journalist switched his words or something like that. But listen, it's not looking good for uSibongile and uKwenzo. Anyway, next scene now uSangweni preparing for isikolo in school uniform. I'm just like ushukuthi le plan ka-government uSangweni uphezu kwayo, cause there he is going to school. So he's packing his stuff lapha ekishini while uVuma sitting sipping on some tea. UVuma's like, yazi ngiyajabula mfanami ukuthi usubuyisela impilo yakho endleleni. Ubani lo khulume nawe wathi buyele esikolweni? uSangweni is like, hawu baba, yingani kumele kube khona umuntu okhuluma nami ngoba ngiyakwazi ukuzicabangela nje, yimina okhethe ukuthi ngibuyele esikolweni. UVuma is like, hayi ngiyajabula, kuyangijabulisa lokho. Into engifisa ukuthi uyazi-ke mfanami yikuthi ngikhona mawufuna ukukhuluma nami about anything ekukhathazayo. Ngiyazi ukuhamba kwama wakho kunzima, ikuhleli kabi lento. And then you can see ukuthi uSangweni is just trying to ignore that whole conversation. uSangweni just says, yebo baba sengiyahamba manje. UVuma is like, hayi ngiyabonga mfanami, ube nosuku oluhle-ke. So as uSangweni is walking out, uVelephi comes out of the room. She's like, hawu Sangweni usekhona kanti kwakuhle-ke, khona into encane engifuna ungenzele yona. uSangweni is like, hayi Velephi nakho-ke usuqalile ufunani? uVelephi is like, hawu yini? Into encane nje, like nothing much. uSangweni is like, yeah ngilalele-ke. uVelephi then says, so bengicabanga ukuthi wenzele uSipho into encane nje namhlanje later on. uSangweni is like, ngenzele uSipho into enhle encane ngobani? uVelephi is like, phela uyagcina ukuba single namhlanje uSipho, kanti-ke nami-ke ama-girls ayangikhipha later on njengoba nje it's going to be my last night as a single woman. uVuma is like, ayibo, kithi nobabili niyahamba nama-girls, ubani kanti ozobheka uManqoba? uVelephi responds and says, khuleka baba, u-anti u-anti Ntombi uzofika emini amthathe. Khuleka nje ngalokho, ku-sorted nje, ungakhathazeki baba. Then uSangweni just walks out. uVelephi is like, hawu Sangweni, hayi yazi uSangweni ave ethanda ukuncengwa lona, hayi ngeke. uVuma is like, mntanami. uVelephi is like, baba. uVuma is like, usaqhubeka ngempela ngalo mshado Velephi noma sengikhulume nawe kanje? uVelephi is like, baba, impilo imfishane kabi futhi-ke ngeke ngihlezi ngimngaka, isikhathi siyahamba baba. Then she just walks off like that. Next scene we see uSamkepe noVuma are sitting guys, but you can see ukuthi they are not happy. Phela izolo uNjengaya threw a bomb on them and told them ukuthi leya ndawo yaKwaMbalenhle izobhidlizwa so that they can build ama-offices aseMgazini factory. So uSamkepe says uVuma, ngiyayibona lento eyenziwa uPhetheni, angazi ngempela ukuthi ungifunani, and into azama ukuyenza manje yukuthi enze wena ukuthi ungijikele. And then uVuma is like, should uPhetheni would go this far waba efuna ukungcolisa igama lakho Samke? uSamke is like, ngiyazibuza nami, ngizibuza into efanayo. uPhetheni angikaze mina ngangamthandi nabantwana bakhe, angikaze. Ngize ngamnika imbalenhle ukuthi yenzele umcimbi wakhe wale nkampani yabo. uVuma zakhe, hawu nami yazi bengicabanga kanjalo, yingakho-ke ngi-confused-ke manje ukuthi kanti kwenze njani. uSamke is like, hayi ilishwa lami-ke leli ngempela, angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. uVuma zakhe, angithi uyazi Samke ukuthi ngeke ngikwazi ukusiza mangabe uNjengaye ezobhidliza imbalenhle. Kinduna phela seyinikele ngayo leya ndawo ngoba ngithi nakhu lezi insuku asizwani. uSamke just starts crying. It's like, mina angazi ukuthi ngempela ngibenzeni abakwaDlamini, angikholwa nje. uVuma zakhe, Samke mehla mahle. He holds her hands. He's like, musukhala phela ngiyakholwa mina. Lokho kushoyo ngiyakholwa mina. And then that scene just ends like that. Next thing we see uKwenzo, he is visiting uSibongile campus. So he finds her sitting ngaphandle. uKwenzo is like, hawu ngenesi enhle egame kakhulu kunazo zonke. And then he kisses uSibongile on her cheek. He's like, ngabe konke kuhamba kahle? Sibongile is like, kuhamba kahle. That time she's saying it with attitude, you guys. Then as they sitting like that, then there's some girls that pass them and then babheka uKwenzo, ngathi babheka uKwenzo and bayamhleba or something like that. uKwenzo's like, and then uSibongile is like, na, nginesiqiniseko ukuthi bafunde ngawe on that article that was written about you. Angithi phela wena sowuyaziwe ukuthi unominatiwe kwi-award or for an award. uKwenzo's like, oh, yazi bengikhohliwe ukuthi ngi-celebrity phela mina. uSibongile is like, imakwenzo, yindaba ungavele ubalandele ubanikeze inamba yakho. uKwenzo looks confused. He's like, how? Ngithi ngikwenzelani ke lokho? Then uSibongile zakho ngoba udume itheku lonke ke. Uyaziwa ukuthi wena awuthandani namuntu. uKwenzo zakho Sibongile, hayibo, those were not my words. Then uSibongile zakho athini ke amazwi wakho uKwenzo? uKwenzo zakho amazwi ami ngibatshele ukuthi mina I just got divorced. uSibongile zakho pho yindaba ungabatshelanga ukuthi khona umuntu ozwana naye. uKwenzo like, hayibo kahleni bo Sibongile. The article was about my talent and not about my love life. uSibongile like, oh Kwenzo, shuthi wena unamahloni ngami. uKwenzo like, kodwa Sibongile, ngingathi nginamahloni ngawe ngobani? uSibongile then says, mhlampe yingoba nakhu angikwazanga ukunikeza ubuntombi bani. uKwenzo like, hayibo, sesifike nini lapho Sibongile? This is not a big deal. Andikuphi inkinga lana. uSibongile then says, oh shuthi into zami ukuyisho yukuthi mina ngiyazihlanyisa ngoba nakho mina vele Kwenzo ngiyislima sakho. uKwenzo that angishongo lokho Sibongile. uSibongile like, yazini Kwenzo, kulungile. It's enough. Kulungile. Futhi, let me just go to my class. She gets up. uKwenzo he tries to vimba. uSibongile is like, Sibongile. He tries to hold her. uSibongile is like, ngiyeke Kwenzo, ngiyeke. And she walks off nje kanjalo. uSibongile, I do think she's overreacting a little bit because I'm just like, really? Like, it's not that much of a big deal now that uKwenzo's trying to explain it. Like, these journalists twist people's words all the time. Next scene ke uLokuzana uNengelosi, she is at uPhetheni's house, you guys. They are having a private conversation. uPhetheni is trying to make sure ukuthi she checks the coast, and then uPhetheni is like, if le mfihlo iyaphuma, and spreads the whole iqopho lonke, uzothini? Uye wayicabanga lokho, uke wacabanga lokho. And then uNengelosi is like, hayibo, izobe ifunani eqopho? Angithi ngikutshelile mina ukuthi ngizoyilungisa lento. uPhetheni is like, kanjani? Anjani ma? Uzoyilungisa kanjani? uNengelosi is like, how? Usukhohliwe ukuthi ngingubani mina? uPhetheni is like, kuyacaca ukuthi abantu will know ukuthi mina ngingumuntu wesifazane onganasinilo nje. Uyacaca futhi ukuthi mina angikwazi ukwethemba ngemfihlo zami. Then uNengelosi is like, angazi ke ukuthi uzothemba bani if awuthemba uma wakho nemfihlo zakho angazi ke. uPhetheni is like, exactly ma. Umthetho wakho yini ma? Yindaba uzimisele kangako ukuthi ungimoshele impilo yami. Lento lena ingamosha umshado wami wonke. Kuwudestroye, ushabalala uphele. uNengelosi is like, ngiyakwazi lokho. uPhetheni is like, kodwa out of all people, out of all abantu ma, uSamke, ungaze utshela uSamke ma. uNengelosi is like, ubani? uSamke? Uthi utshela yimina. uPhetheni then says, uSamke utshela umyeni wami ma. uNengelosi is like, hayi mina angikwazi nokho, ayiphumala kumina. And then uPhetheni is like, okay ma, ufuna malini? Ufuna ukuthi ngikhokhele malini ukuze uvale lo mlonyana wakho ugcine yonke into yaziyo ngani kuwena? uNengelosi is like, hey Phetheni, nginguma wakho mina, sengazi ungikhokhele ukuze ngigcine imfihlo zakho. hayi cha, ingathi iyakusinda le mali yakho. And then she keeps quiet. She's like, kodwa-ke mhlampe-ke i-top up encane ingangisiza. Uphetheni just looks at uNengelosi and she's like, wow. And she just walks off like that. Next scene, guys, Bambalenhle kune shutdown. Listen, uVelephi is having her bachelorette party nabangani bakhe. She's looking cute. Ugqoke leya bhena-ke ebhale bride to be. Bamphethele ama-gift. uVelephi so happy there. Wow, bejabula kanjalo as uVelephi is unwrapping gifts. Ungene ubaba uNtombela emnyango. So uVelephi, when she sees ubaba uNtombela, she's smiling. Angithi ubaba ezala wakhe in her head. She smiles and then uNtombela then says, Lalena Velephi, uSipho owami. Angeke akushade wena. Nawe-ke stop wasting isikhathi sakho uzifakela ipressure because angeke akushade. Hayibo, as she's speaking like that, as uNtombela speaking like that, uNokuzana uSipho walks through the door. As uSipho walks through the door, uVelephi is like, baby, like, what's going on? uNokuzana uSipho says, baby, ngiyaxolisa kodwa isimo asivuma kwamanje angeke ngikwazi ukushada. uNtombela just says yilokho-ke. He walks off and then uSipho follows him. As uSipho's following uNtombela out the door, uVelephi is like, Sipho sithanda sami. uSipho doesn't even look back, you guys. He just walks out. uVelephi just starts crying in front of her friends and they're like, semngani. uVelephi is like, kanti yini inkinga ngami? Waqala wawubaba wangishiya wangashiwa umama nje uSipho, like, what's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? Abangani like, no, Velephi, when umuhle ini, and she's just crying there, you guys. Last scene, girl, we see Unjengaye at the Dlamini mansion. He's pouring himself some whiskey there. So as he's pouring himself some whiskey, then as he's turning back, he sees uNengelosi. So I guess he was not expecting her there because he does get a shock. So he's like, oh, hey, ma, ufike nini? And then uNengelosi is like, how bengilokhu ngikhona mkhwenyana usuku lonke nje ngivakashile. She goes on to say ukuthi ngiyaxolisa ukwethusa. Then uNjengaye is like, hayi kanti-ke cha awuzange ungithuse ma. I'm just like, lies. And then uNengelosi is like, nginesicelo esithize lana before ngihambe. uNjengaye is like, okay. uNengelosi says bengicela ukuthi uphetheni ungambambi kakhulu ngenhliziyo ngalento ayenzile. Wayengaqondile ukuthi akuzwise ubuhlungu. Yinto nje eyamthola entekenteko umntanami yazi eqeda kuthola umntwana ebambeyeka ngalana nawe-ke bowungekho. Like that's when everything just happened. I'm just like, and uNjengaye is quiet and he's looking at uNengelosi. I'm just like, uNengelosi just went to go and confess kuNjengaye to say ukuthi ngempela uPhetheni cheated on you when uPhetheni denied the whole thing. Angazi-ke if uNengelosi thinks ukuthi uyalungisa, maybe she was not sure ukuthi uPhetheni uphikile or what happened. But listen, guys, uNengelosi just went to go and hit a nail on the coffin because sephelile nguPhetheni at this point. But anyway, guys, that's where the episode ends. So we'll park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.